Hey guys, I'm Peter from Shanghai Earthmother. Today I'm in one of our warehouses in Shanghai. These are our warehouse staff. 师傅你好。
Hello.
hello. Our 师傅 is very interesting. You know I'm talking English. I never could hear him say hello. As you can see, this is our XPS installation board for floor heating. Here's the brand name, Earthmother. In Chinese, you can call it 绿. This XPS board here come from Jiangsu factory of our company. The products of this warehouse are mainly provided to users in various districts in Shanghai. And now let's get going and see what's inside. The first product you can see is the EVA edge strip. Here it is, used for preventing heat loss from the edges. This is pipe insulation, used for initial section of pipes starting from the manifold. EPP board, used for fixing the manifold. Aluminum tape, used for pasting the gap between insulation boards. Reflective foil film, used for isolating moisture and water to increase energy efficiency. Manual clips, used for fixing pipes onto insulation boards. Fiberglass mesh, used for preventing concrete cracking. Aluminum and EPS insulation panel, used for dry type floor heating. HIPS and EPS insulation panel, used for more effective pipe installation compared with XPS boards. Oh my god, there are too many products. I just feel information explosion. In short, we can provide any products or accessories related to floor heating. If you need anything for floor heating, you can contact us by the information below. I will post more videos to introduce our floor heating products in details. Bye!